everyone. Myself Dr. Madhuri Suresh Sabe. I am working as an associate professor in Tilak College of Education, Pune, Maharashtra, in India. The topic of my presentation is involvement of parents in education process. I have focused on five main points, that was nature of parents and its involvement in education process. What are the benefits when parents gets involved in education process? What are the strategies required to get more and more involvement of parents in education process? And how education process is meaningful when parents gets involved in education process? I have collected data with the help of parents interview and students interview. And the research finding indicates that if you make cordial relationship between education process and parents involvement and parents aspiration, it would be successful and meaningful to achieve learning objectives and learning outcomes also. Parents' involvement in education is very essential and it is helpful for students' internal development and their upliftment. Education process would be more meaningful if parents gets involved in the education process. This is the conclusion of my short research. Indian education system has its own characteristic features and it's different from other developed countries. Family provide support to school education and higher education also. Parents are directly and indirectly involved with the children's education and connected with the education process. In school, specific curriculum, timetable and teaching learning pattern are well set. In families, all type of education are given to children, but it is an informal and incidental way of learning. Family is an effective medium for cultural transformation from generation to generation. India is a treasure house of traditional stories, mythological stories, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, etc. It plays a very important role to create awareness of religious importance. And Indian families are culture-oriented families and very fond of festive celebration as per their religion. Behind Indian mythological stories, it contains values like courage, adventure, sacrifice, passion, ethics, and parents can play a very important role to inculcate these values through telling stories of mythology to their children. Mother and father both have given great contribution in their child progress. Hence, in the family we call Matru Deva Bhava and Pitru Deva Bhava. After conducting a short survey on parents and students of the new generation and to collect their opinion about parents' involvement in education, and their qualitative responses were collected by filling online Google form, the data analyzed as per participants responded. For this study, researcher has conducted a short survey on parents and students of the new generation to collect their opinion about parents' involvement in education. 57 qualitative responses were collected and data analyzed as per participant response. Parents' involvement in the education process is helpful for meaningful learning and enhance academic achievement of students, and it has been proven by many research studies. In the present situation, we are thinking about the new generation is going away from their parents and they don't like interference of parents in their life. But the survey has been taken and it is observed that students need parents' guidance and their help in education. In uneducated family and low income families, parents are taking efforts for the education of their child. They are doing extra work for them. In this paper, researcher highlighted actual responses of the students. Some students are saying that in their work, motivation in my education, mother, Anna, my mother and my father. They bought vegetable as they did not learn much. They felt that their children should learn and work, that they should not have a hard life like ours. For that, he inspired us for education from childhood. He never got angry and he never got angry with us or killed us for any reason. I didn't know that my mother used to teach me till 7. My mother used to make me read and listen carefully while cooking and while doing other work. Also, she telling me my mistakes in my reading. She loved to read but could not learn as there was no school beyond 7th in her village. She was a smart student in school. In addition to my studies from my mother, I read and learn stories of famous writers like Pule Deshpande, Vishwas Patel, Mrityunjaya, Dasbol, Gita, and other stories and novels. She knew that reading books on the radio at home at 6:30 p.m. in the evening and in the morning made her a habit of reading not only school books but also other books. She always said that good listening and reading are essential becoming a good person. If I had not got such a great mother, I would have read only school books like others. Dad used to read the papers in the morning. He used to read the paper to me and he used to tell me that you need to be aware of the event in your area. At that time, I read stories of Mahatma Gandhi, Lokmanya Tilak, Agarkar, Mahatma Phule, Babasaheb Ambedkar, Shahu Maharaj, and many more books. There was a book exhibition near the Atre Hall, and my father would take us there. He also allowed them to buy science experiment books because they loved science. We used to come home and read books and try small experiments with our siblings. I really wonder if we wouldn't have learned so much if it weren't for the two of them in my life. My mother, my grandfather, my grandparents are very involved in my education and culture. Respect for teachers is only because of them. I definitely feel it today. All the teachers are as much involved in my academic success as my parents. My luck is that I have got all the good teachers who have brought me into this beautiful personality. My father used to tell me that teachers should teach, but I should not give up learning. So after reading this view of the students, we know about how parents' involvement is very important in education process. Nature of parents' involvement in education in the following way. That's communication and feedback, encouragement and motivational supports. They play a supporting role for education, for school, and by taking regular studies of their children and also create learning environment at home. Parents establish rapport between school and home, and parents are taking regular feedback about the progress of the child. Regular communication with their teachers and administrators. Parents are alert and encouraging for study and good careers. Parents encourage their child to participate in co-curricular activities organized by school timely and also give motivation to boost their performance in activities and also give support to enter in competitive exam. They also play supporting role for schools in such a way that teacher assign homework and parents understand their duty to check homework and ask about study and other activities going in school. By taking regular studies, making education work through every sphere of life through daily activities. It creates a learning environment at home. In educated family, parents act like teachers and teach all subjects, taking revision so children don't have extra tuitions. They used to teach the content, moral values, and help in project making, extra studies, and assignment and completion. In this way, parents involve in children's education. So, what is the importance of parents' involvement in education process? Because of the parents' involvement in education process, development of social skills among students, holistic development of students is possible. It also helpful for the positive growth of the students. Parents play a very important role like co-teacher. Because of this, it helps to increase the school performance, academic performance of the students. Parents' knowledge and skills useful for the students' growth and students' upliftment. And also alertness of parents help to give proper direction for the education process. So in this diagram, it is indicate that first, in students' life, parents' involvement in education process is highly remarkable and it is most important in today's scenario. Nowadays, parents' involvement in online teaching learning process. Although parents are less techno-savvy than their children, they can guide their work about selection of topics for projects and can guide to solve problems in surroundings. Parents can guide to school children as per their expertise, can act as a mentor. Parents should consult their work regarding various options about education. They should give good suggestions to schools regarding students' education. The first teachers in a child life is their parents. Hence, they lay the foundation stone in the growth and knowledge of their child. They can help to grow their students by telling the strength and weakness of their child. Parents know the ability, difficulties, and capacity of a child. If parents are educated, then they should play a role of support system helping their child. If parents are uneducated, then they have minimal involvement but can effectively ask the child to sit and study and monitor. Parents' involvement can help the child to be organized and do their work properly. Parents can experience every change in their children, so their role is very important. Home is a school of informal education. Involvement of parents in education is most important because it increases positive impact toward education. Parents should highly get involved in education as it has a high influence on the environment around the child. Support for the system and concern, the parent should actively participate in educating the child as the values which play an important role in education are given mainly by parents. If they are involved and interested in knowing more how and what the child learns in school, it is beneficial to shape the future of the child. They are the main stakeholders in the process of educating the child and it helps in building support. In this way, the parental involvement is more needed in education. For the student internal development as an individual and enlightenment for their consciousness. Government initiatives for parents. Governments have been taken a very and provisions made for the parents. There are many provisions government has been made, but in this paper, I would like to highlight only 10 main schemes. Uh, that is central government schemes and state government schemes. In the central government schemes, provision made for the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao schemes, Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, Balika Samruddhi Yojana, CBSE Udan scheme, National Scheme of Incentive to Girls for Secondary Education, Dhanalakshmi scheme, and state government Ladli scheme of Haryana, Ladli Lakshmi Yojana of Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka Bhagyashree scheme, Maji Kanya Bhagyashree scheme for government of Maharashtra, and West Bengal Kanya Shri Prakalp. These are the various schemes for parents, but parents are not aware they need guidance from school. A few parents was aware about only very few schemes, for example, Beti Bachao scheme and Beti Padhao scheme. But other schemes, parents do not know about these schemes. They need guidance from school. School need to organize special program to create awareness regarding this scheme. So it would be more beneficial for parents. Here I would like to mention some strategies for schools, how parents get involved in education. It is based on my own views and my own observation. First strategy is School management committee and parent-teacher association should be strengthened. Policy attention should be shifted toward parental involvement in education. Allotment of specific slot in timetable for experiential learning. Also provide common sharing and learning platform where parents can share their own views and ideas with others. Make admin in online teaching learning process so parents can monitor while teaching learning process is going on and plays the supportive role help to teachers indirectly. Discussion about growth template of students. If school prepare the growth template of students, every students, and discuss with parents, it would be more beneficial because parents know their child's weakness and strength. Some value added course should be started by the school and take support and take help of the parents. School as a community development center. Establish the rapport between school and community. When positive, cordial correlationship between school and community, it would be more meaningful education process. I would like to suggest two best practices. One is the parent buddy. What is parent buddy? Parent buddy is selected from the parents and directly or indirectly one parent is connected to another parents and then other parents connected to teachers and teachers connected to students means interrelated network among these parent, teacher and students. That is the parent buddy system. What is the benefit of this parent buddy system? Because of this parent buddy system, there is a positive interaction between parents and teachers and continuous rapport established between them. Parents can discuss about their child's behavior, child's habit, and teachers can notice their behaviors and adjust teaching learning process as per their need and interest. And also take continuous feedback from the teachers, it would be helpful for the student progress. So it is a meaningful and interrelated network established between parents and teachers called Parents Web. It is a best practice I would like to suggest him. Second one is the parents representative. If we appoint parent representative for every class, suppose class 5 parent representative, class 6, 7, 8 and so on. Parent representative we have to select from school management committee or parent teacher association. One of the parents come out and take the responsibility of one class. And while taking the responsibility, school assign the specific role to the parents and welcome them in school environment so they feel respected and they can do the better work. So this type of practices if we would implement in school, so it would be the meaningful parents involvement in education process and it would be helpful for the student enlightenment and student development and entire education process to achieve positive learning outcomes. Thank you so much.